Hello, this is Sarah Emery. Today I'm sharing a short and sweet tip regarding aging preferences for invoices in your NetSuite environment. So here looking at the AR aging summary, this is the native report. And if I look at the very first line, I have $1,400 in my 30-day bucket. If I look at the two transactions that are making up this $1,400, what I notice is that the due date actually hasn't passed yet. So these are due dates that are out in the future. Looking at the specific transactions, the dates that are being reflected are the actual issue dates for the transaction as opposed to the due date. So my AR aging summary is displaying the value based on the transaction creation date as opposed to the due date. If you're seeing something similar in your account and you want to change it, you go to Setup Accounting Preferences. On the first tab, you will see that there is a section for aging reports use. You have two options, transaction date and due date. I'm going to go ahead and switch it to due date, save my preference. And now I'm going to refresh my AR aging summary. So now the $1,400 is showing in the current bucket. And when I drill into the detail, I see my two invoices with the negative age because they have not yet reached their due date. So very easy to change that option if you are seeing something similar in your account, or if you would like to see this the opposite configuration where aging is based on transaction date. You know, always go ahead and adjust that setting using the same process. Hopefully you found that useful. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.